A highly unusual step for the Centers for Disease Control. They'll be screening passengers at 3 airports for symptoms of a new mysterious virus. 1,000 staffers are being sent to New York City's JFK International, San Francisco International, and LAX. Passengers arriving from Wuhan, China will be checked for symptoms of fever, coughing, and difficulty breathing. The screenings at JFK start tonight. So far, 2 people in China have died from this new virus called the coronavirus. Some 45 others are infected. The last time the CDC did routine passenger health screenings was during the 2014 Ebola outbreak. So what are state officials doing to monitor passengers coming to Hawaii? Jen Boniza joins us now from the airport with more. Jen?
The CDC says that there is no need to be alarmed, and they want to reassure everyone that they constantly screen international passengers arriving to Hawaii.
Although it's they consider a low level of alert, it is still something that's being watched.
They continually monitor all international and domestic travelers. In fact, Daniel K. Inouye International Airport is one of only 20 airports in the United States that the CDC monitors constantly.
Now, Honolulu Airport has had a robust surveillance system in place for over 10 years because of diseases like SARS and avian influenza, where it's a team approach. The CDC on international travelers is the lead agency, and they work with the state DOT. We have firefighters here at all the airports as first responders.
Passengers who look sick or show symptoms of illness can be held in quarantine by the CDC.
The fact that this is an international illness outside the U.S. actually makes it easier because people have to come through Customs and Border Protection and are screened in general.
Travelers from Wuhan, China would automatically be taken aside and screened. The good news is there aren't many flights that arrive here from China, and
there are no direct flights from Wuhan, China to Honolulu or any airport in Hawaii.
Ireland says there is still much to learn about the virus.
So it's not completely benign, but it's not as dangerous, I think, as some of the other similar viruses we've seen in the past. So I really wouldn't want to speculate.
The CDC is continuing to monitor the situation. They say they will let the public know if anything changes. From Daniel K. Inouye International Airport, Jen Boniza, KH12 News. Back to the studio.